Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can catapult your business ahead of your competition? We live in an era where AI is transforming the business landscape across sectors. From healthcare to finance, from retail to real estate, AI is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for businesses that want to stay ahead of the curve. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a game changer, capable of revolutionizing business processes. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, allowing businesses to make faster and more informed decisions. AI-powered chatbots are enhancing customer service by being available round the clock, answering queries, and even processing orders. Furthermore, AI is playing a pivotal role in predictive analytics, helping businesses anticipate customer needs, detect market trends, and even forecast potential challenges. This means businesses can be proactive rather than reactive, giving them a significant competitive edge. But the potential of AI isn't static. It's a rapidly evolving field, with new developments and breakthroughs happening frequently. For instance, generative AI models like OpenAI's GPT-3 and Google's Gemini are pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. These advancements are not just for tech giants, they are accessible to businesses of all sizes. Entrepreneurs, therefore, need to stay updated with the latest AI trends, understand their implications, and consider how they can be harnessed for their own business growth. As we delve into the latest AI news, consider how these advancements can benefit your own business. The AI revolution in the business world is here. It's not a question of if artificial intelligence will transform your business, but when and how. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of AI. Let's start with a recent development, the drama at OpenAI. In the final days of 2023, the walls of OpenAI shook with the threat of a mass employee exodus. Tensions flared as employees voiced their willingness to quit amid the ouster of OpenAI's figurehead, Sam Altman. However, it quickly became apparent that this was largely a bluff, as concerns over financial gains from a tender offer surfaced. This upheaval put tech giant Microsoft in a precarious position. They viewed hiring the disgruntled OpenAI employees as a last resort, the employees themselves expressing reservations about joining a company they saw as a legacy tech entity. And then, in a plot twist worthy of a Hollywood movie, Altman made his return to OpenAI. His comeback sparked speculation about the depth of his influence and control within the company. Yet Altman, ever the diplomat, emphasized that OpenAI was strong enough to function without him. This dramatic saga underscored the need for tech giants to not be overly reliant on startups like OpenAI in the rapidly evolving AI industry. And speaking of evolving, let's turn our gaze towards Google. Not to be outdone, Google announced the launch of Gemini, a generative AI model, setting the stage to compete head-to-head with OpenAI. Looking into the crystal ball of tech sector predictions for 2024, significant gains are on the horizon. Companies like Zscaler and Palantir are expected to perform exceptionally well, signifying a promising year for AI-driven businesses. These developments underline the importance of AI in shaping the future of tech giants. Turning our attention to another industry, let's examine how AI is influencing news publishers. Thomson Reuters, a multinational media conglomerate, is contemplating licensing its content to companies that are developing generative artificial intelligence tools. CEO Steve Hasker has expressed openness to teaming up with large language model providers, showing a shift in the media landscape. This move is not an isolated incident, but part of a broader trend where media companies such as Axel Springer are partnering with AI firms like OpenAI to incorporate news content into AI applications. The goal? To create a more dynamic, interactive, and personalized news experience for consumers. But this innovative approach doesn't come without its challenges. The use of copyrighted materials in training AI models has sparked legal disputes, bringing into focus the complex issues of fair use and copyright in the digital age. Authors, artists, and media outlets, including the New York Times, have raised concerns. They argue that the indiscriminate use of their work in training these AI models may infringe upon their intellectual property rights. These legal disputes underscore the importance of navigating fair use and copyright issues in the industry. It's a delicate balance to strike. On one hand, the use of a wide range of content can enrich the capabilities of AI models and create more engaging user experiences. On the other hand, it's crucial to respect and protect the intellectual property rights of content creators. As we move forward, these issues will need to be addressed head-on. Legislation may need to evolve to keep pace with technological advances, and businesses will need to be proactive in complying with these laws. Collaboration between AI developers, content creators, and legal experts will be key to navigating this complex landscape. The evolving landscape of AI and content usage underscores the importance of navigating fair use and copyright issues in the industry. Despite the promise of AI, some still harbor fears about its potential dangers. It's a sentiment that's been echoed in countless sci-fi movies and dystopian novels. But is this fear grounded in reality? Well, according to theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, not so much. Kaku refers to AI, particularly chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT, as glorified tape recorders. These tools, while capable of holding conversations and performing complex calculations, lack the ability to distinguish truth from falsehood without human input. In essence, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its utility and safety largely depend on the hands that wield it. This view is shared by many experts in the field. Yann LeCun, another notable voice in AI research, also asserts that fears of AI taking over the world are unfounded. These fears, they argue, are projections of our own human nature onto machines. Machines, unlike humans, do not have desires or ambitions. They do not strive for power or dominance. They simply execute the tasks they're programmed to do, nothing more, nothing less. However, this is not to say that we should throw caution to the wind. Elon Musk, along with other AI experts, has called for a moratorium on the development of more powerful AI models. This is not born out of fear of a robot uprising, but rather out of a desire to ensure that as we push the boundaries of what AI can do, we do so responsibly. It's about balancing the incredible potential of AI with the need to ensure its safe and ethical use. So while AI continues to revolutionize our world, it's important to remember that it is not an existential threat to humanity. It is a tool, a powerful one at that, but a tool nonetheless. And like all tools, it is only as good or as bad as the person using it. As we venture further into the realm of AI, it's essential to balance innovation with caution. Let's remember to approach AI with a sense of wonder and curiosity, not fear, because in the right hands, AI has the potential to create a future that's brighter and more prosperous than we can currently imagine. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points from today's discussion. The AI revolution is undeniably reshaping the business landscape. Tech giants like Microsoft and Google are making strategic moves to stay ahead of the curve. Microsoft's interest in OpenAI's talent pool and Google's launch of Gemini, its generative AI model, are indicative of the significant role AI plays in these tech behemoths' future plans. Moreover, the unfolding drama at OpenAI underscores the need for businesses to diversify their reliance on startups in the AI industry. This diversification strategy can help cushion potential shocks and ensure the sustainability of AI-related operations. In the realm of news publishing, AI is proving to be a game changer. Companies like Thomson Reuters are considering licensing their content to AI tool developers, whilst others like Axel Springer are already partnering with AI firms like OpenAI. This trend of incorporating news content into AI applications is becoming more prevalent, although it brings to the fore issues of fair use and copyright, which need careful navigation. Lastly, it's crucial to dispel unfounded fears about AI. While AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google Bard are increasingly sophisticated, leading experts in the field, such as theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, remind us that they are, in essence, advanced tools incapable of human-like cognition or intent. Concerns about AI taking over the world are, in their view, projections of human nature onto machines. Staying informed about the latest developments in AI can give your business a competitive edge. So keep exploring, keep learning, and let AI take your business to new heights.